In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Claude to Google Sheets. So all you need to do, Anthropic of course has an official Claude for Sheets add-on for Google Sheets. All you need to do is just go and open, as example, your Google Sheets and either create a new spreadsheet or open one that you already have. Once you do so, here at the top, you'll have to go to extensions and select add-ons, or just hover add-ons and click on get add-ons. This will open a new pop-out for you. So basically, this is the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, you will have to search for Claude for Sheets. So once you do so, for example, you can even select this from the list there. Here is it, AI for Sheet, GPT, Claude, anything. So this is the one that we want, GPT for Sheets. And as you can see, this will let you connect Google Docs, Google Sheets as well, with your AI tools. Of course, you can connect this with Claude, GPT, Sheets, and other AI tools. Like, let's just see what they have here. As you can see here in short, you can basically connect it with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini to automate your work in that. So all you need to do, just go and click on install, click on continue, and here make sure to continue, give it access as example, click on continue again, and let's just wait. So as you can see here, it's installed and you can find it's always there. So once it is installed, as you can see, you'll find here at the right GPT for Sheets. And of course, an example, let's say it's not there. If you want, you can click on extensions, add-ons, and you'll be able to view documents, add-ons, and you'll be able to find it. And you can click on use and click on open. So as you can see, once you click on open, it will open right here. And here you are. So as you can see, at the moment, I am using GPT. But you can, as example, click here on manage models. You'll be able to get here. And as you can see, you can set up your API key right here to be able to select a model with an API key. So set an API key, choose as an example your Anthropic, and here you will have to enter your Anthropic API key. And of course, in order to get that, you'll need to go to platform.claude.com and you will need to log in into your Claude account, click on get an API key. You'll have to choose an example how much that you want for how much do you want to top it up. Of course, if you choose a specific amount, you'll find how many messages, as an example with Sonnet, with Opus, and Fable as well. You can choose any other amount and you'll be able to generate your API key. Once you generate, as an example, your API key, as an example, you can also create here, as an example. I will just go and create one. Of course, you can go to the left as well. If you don't want to top up your account first, click on generate an API key. For me, I'm going to type sheets here. You can choose when it expires. For me, I'm not going to choose an example, or let's just choose custom and let's just choose like 90 days, 100 days, whatever you want. Click add and you'll get your API key. Copy it, click on done, go back here, enter it, click on check. It's valid, click on save, and it's configured. You can just refresh, and now you'll be able to use as example that inside your, as you can see, you'll be able to use all the cloud or the cloud, whatever you call it, inside Google Sheets. And of course, you will keep in mind that you'll need to pop up your account in order to use this API key. And yeah, if you don't know how to use this exactly, there's a demo video, of course, that they have. So 3 minutes explaining how to use that if you don't know. And you'll be able to use this inside your Google Docs with no problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.